You're a better cook than you think, and you don't need recipes. Pickles, very easy. Great way to get rid of stuff in your fridge. Let's go. First things, you're gonna need herbs. There's the standard pickle recipe. You can do whatever you want. I'm using fennel, but you could use parsley, basil, whatever herbs you got, get rid of it. The only reason I'm using fennel is because it literally grows around here and it's free. Spices, I'm going coriander. I'm going a little bit of something else, but go into your drawer, find any spices you got, throw it in there. I think I have mustard seed. Heat, I'm adding a little bit of serrano. You can add a little hot sauce. You can add a little chili. You can add whatever you got that's spicy. Veg, it doesn't need to be cucumbers. It doesn't need to be all red onions. Whatever veg you got in your drawer, slice it up. Bell peppers, I got a couple of carrots I'm gonna toss in there. Slice it thin, throw it in the jar. Acid, most important point. You can go 50% acid, 50% water. You can go 75% water, 25% acid. Listen, these are quick pickles. You can get into that and sterilize the jars and all that. By the time I get to that stage, I usually just eat all the pickles. So these are meant to just be eaten in a couple days. I'll go about 50-50. And I'm using red wine vinegar because that's what I have. Sweet, I am putting in that mango chutney because I still got some. Honey works, sugar works, whatever you got. Salt, easy enough, throw in some sea salt. Let's make them. Put them on nachos, put them on a sandwich, put them on whatever you want. They add acidity, they add crispness, yummy. You can do it. You don't need a recipe.